The soul of man is immortal and imperishable. Plato. Within you lies a wellspring of power, a boundless reservoir of potential waiting to be unleashed. You are not merely a collection of thoughts and experiences, but a divine being, brimming with the creative force of the universe. This may sound like a lofty claim, but it is an undeniable truth. The power you seek, the peace you crave, the wisdom you desire, it all resides within you, ready to be awakened. We often search for answers outside ourselves, seeking guidance in books, gurus, or religious doctrines. Yet, the most profound wisdom lies not in external teachings, but in the depths of your own being. It's a truth that has been echoed throughout history by mystics, sages, and spiritual leaders. The kingdom of heaven is within. This is not a religious concept, but a universal truth applicable to all, regardless of faith or creed. The awakening of this inner divinity is not about joining a religion or conforming to dogma. It's about discovering your true nature, your highest potential, your authentic self. It's about recognizing the spark of the divine that animates your existence, that fuels your creativity, that inspires your every thought and action. Now let's unravel the mystery surrounding the term Christ consciousness. Often shrouded in religious connotations, it's essential to understand its true meaning, a meaning that transcends any specific faith or doctrine. The Christ consciousness is not a figure confined to religious texts. It is a universal principle, an archetype that resides within each and every one of us. Think of it as the embodiment of our highest potential, the fullest expression of our divine nature. It is the part of us that is eternally connected to the source of all creation, the wellspring of infinite wisdom and boundless love. It is the seat of our intuition, our creativity, our innate knowing of what is right and true. When we tap into the Christ consciousness, we tap into our limitless potential. We gain access to a wisdom that surpasses intellect, a power that transcends the physical realm. It is the source of our greatest achievements, our most profound insights, our deepest connections with others. This may sound like a mystical concept, but it's a reality that has been experienced by countless individuals throughout history. Artists, musicians, scientists, inventors, all have drawn from this wellspring of inspiration to create works of extraordinary beauty and ingenuity. We all have this capacity for greatness within us. The Christ consciousness is not reserved for the chosen few. It is a birthright that belongs to all of humanity. It is the spark that ignites our passions, fuels our dreams, and propels us towards our highest purpose. This is not about becoming a saint or a religious figure. It's about recognizing the divine potential that resides within each and every one of us. It's about seeing ourselves as we truly are, magnificent beings of light, capable of creating miracles, both big and small. The Christ consciousness is not a destination to be reached, but a state of being to be cultivated. It's a way of seeing the world through the lens of love, compassion, and understanding. It's a way of living in harmony with the universe, aligned with our highest values and aspirations. This awakening of the Christ consciousness is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of growth and transformation. It's about continuously expanding our awareness, deepening our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. It's about learning to trust our intuition, to follow our hearts, to live a life that is authentic and meaningful. This may not be an easy path. There will be challenges, obstacles, and moments of doubt, but the rewards are immeasurable. As we awaken to our Christ consciousness, we discover a peace that surpasses understanding, a joy that knows no bounds, a love that transcends all limitations. We realize that we are not separate from the divine, but an integral part of it. We are the creators of our own reality, the architects of our own destiny. We are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. of overcoming any obstacle that stands in our way. The Christ consciousness is our greatest gift, our most valuable asset. It is the key to unlocking our full potential, to living a life that is truly extraordinary. As we awaken to this truth, we step into our power, accept our divinity, and create a life that is a testament to the boundless potential that resides within us all. Have you ever experienced a sudden surge of intuition, a gut feeling that guided you towards the right decision? Or perhaps you've noticed meaningful coincidences, events that seemed perfectly aligned, as if orchestrated by a higher power. Maybe you felt a growing yearning for something more, a deeper meaning beyond the mundane routines of daily life. These are not mere chance occurrences. They are signposts on the path of spiritual awakening. They are whispers from your inner wisdom, nudging you towards a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you. A heightened sense of intuition, a series of synchronicities, a yearning for deeper meaning. These are all common experiences for those who are awakening to their true potential. The awakening process is unique for each individual, but there are certain patterns that emerge. You may find yourself questioning old beliefs, seeking new experiences, or feeling a greater connection to nature and the universe. You may feel a sense of detachment from material possessions or a desire to simplify your life. These are all indications that you are shedding old layers, opening yourself up to new possibilities. The path of spiritual awakening is not always easy. It can be a time of upheaval and uncertainty, as you let go of old patterns and accept new ways of being. But it is also a time of immense growth and transformation, as you connect with your inner power and discover the limitless potential that resides within you. The Christ consciousness, this divine spark within you, is not a prize to be won or a status to be achieved. It is your birthright, a gift bestowed upon you at the very moment of your creation. It is the essence of who you are, the core of your being. This power is not something you need to earn or strive for. It is already yours, waiting to be recognized and reclaimed. It is the source of your strength, your resilience, your capacity for love and compassion. It is the wellspring of your creativity, your intuition, your innate wisdom. Think of it as a seed planted deep within your soul, waiting for the right conditions to sprout and flourish. The experiences you have, the challenges you face, the choices you make, all of these serve to nurture this seed, helping it to grow and blossom into its full potential. The awakening of the Christ consciousness is not about becoming someone you're not. It's about uncovering the truth of who you already are. It's about recognizing the divine potential that has always been within you, waiting to be awakened. Awakening the Christ consciousness is not a passive process. It requires active participation and a willingness to explore the depths of your being. But fear not, for there are simple yet powerful practices that can help you connect with your inner divinity. Meditation. In the stillness of meditation, we quiet the chatter of the mind and create space for our inner wisdom to emerge. It is a time to turn inward, to connect with the source of our being, to listen to the whispers of our soul. Through meditation, we cultivate a deeper awareness of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to release what no longer serves us and align with our higher purpose. Visualization. Our minds are powerful tools for creation. By visualizing our ideal life, we plant the seeds of manifestation in the fertile soil of our subconscious. As we envision ourselves living in alignment with our highest values, we send a powerful message to the universe, attracting the experiences, relationships, and opportunities that resonate with our true desires. Affirmations. Words have the power to shape our reality. By affirming our divine power and connection, we reinforce a positive self-image and cultivate a sense of self-worth. Affirmations are not mere wishful thinking. They are declarations of truth, spoken with conviction and belief. As we repeat these affirmations, we reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering truths. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. By focusing on the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a sense of appreciation and joy. Gratitude opens our hearts to receive the infinite abundance that the universe has to offer. It allows us to see the good in every situation, to find meaning in every experience, and to live a life filled with contentment and fulfillment. Self-love. At the core of our being, we are worthy, lovable, and divine. Self-love is not about vanity or self-indulgence. It's about recognizing our inherent value and treating ourselves with kindness and compassion. When we love ourselves unconditionally, we create a solid foundation for growth and transformation. We attract healthy relationships, fulfilling experiences, and a deep sense of inner peace. The power of belief. Our beliefs shape our reality. By believing in the Christ consciousness, we open ourselves up to its infinite possibilities. When we believe in our own divinity, we step into our power, we claim our birthright, and we create a life that is a true reflection of our highest potential. These practices are not quick fixes or magic formulas. They are tools for transformation, pathways to awakening. By incorporating them into your daily life, you create a sacred space for the Christ consciousness to flourish, to blossom into its full glory, and to guide you towards a life of purpose, meaning, and joy. Imagine a life where your deepest desires effortlessly unfold, where your dreams materialize into reality, where you experience a profound sense of alignment with your purpose. This is not wishful thinking. It is the power of manifestation through the Christ consciousness. When we tap into this inner divinity, we become co-creators with the universe. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs become the architects of our reality. By aligning with the Christ consciousness, we raise our vibration, attracting experiences that resonate with our highest good. This is not about manipulating the universe to bend to our will. It's about harmonizing with the natural flow of abundance. It's about recognizing that we are worthy of receiving all that we desire, and that the universe is eager to support us in our journey. Through the Christ consciousness, we gain access to a limitless source of creative power. We are able to manifest our dreams with greater ease and grace, creating a life that is a reflection of our innermost desires. This is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of co-creation, a dance with the universe that unfolds in perfect timing. As we align with the Christ consciousness, we become magnets for miracles. We attract the right people, the right opportunities, the right resources to support our highest good. We find ourselves in the right place at the right time, guided by an unseen hand towards our destiny. This is the power of the Christ consciousness, a power that resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be unleashed. By recognizing our divine inheritance and aligning with our highest potential, we open the door to a life of limitless possibilities. The path of awakening is not always smooth sailing. There will be times when doubt, fear, and negative self-talk threaten to derail your progress. But these challenges are not roadblocks. They are opportunities for growth and transformation. Doubt is a natural part of the human experience. It is the voice of the ego, questioning your worthiness and your ability to succeed. But remind yourself that the Christ consciousness is not about ego. It's about surrendering to a power greater than yourself, a power that knows no limits. Fear is another common obstacle on the path of awakening. It can manifest as a fear of failure, a fear of the unknown, or a fear of not being good enough. But fear is simply an illusion, a product of the mind. By recognizing the Christ consciousness within you, you tap into a courage that transcends all fears. Negative self-talk is a habit that many of us have developed over time. It is the voice of the inner critic, constantly judging and belittling us. But this voice is not the truth. It is a distortion of reality. By cultivating self-love and compassion, you can silence the inner critic and reclaim your power. The key to overcoming these challenges is to recognize them for what they are: temporary setbacks on the path of awakening. By acknowledging them without judgment, you can begin to release their hold on you and move forward with renewed determination. Now is the time to awaken to your true potential. Now is the time to reclaim your divine inheritance. Now is the time to step into the fullness of who you are. The Christ consciousness is not a distant ideal. It is your birthright, your true nature. It is the source of your strength, your wisdom, your creativity, and your love. It is the wellspring of your joy, your peace, and your fulfillment. You are not a victim of circumstance, nor are you bound by limitations. You are a powerful creator, capable of shaping your reality and manifesting your dreams. You are a divine being, connected to the infinite wisdom and boundless love of the universe. Dare to believe in your own greatness. Dare to step into your power and claim your rightful place in the grand tapestry of life. Dare to live a life that is a true reflection of your highest potential. You are not alone on this journey. The universe is conspiring in your favor, supporting you every step of the way. Trust in the guidance of your inner wisdom. Follow the whispers of your soul, and allow the Christ consciousness to illuminate your path. The world is waiting for you to shine your light, to share your gifts, to make your unique contribution. Your presence is a gift to the world, and your light has the power to ignite the hearts of others. So rise up, dear friend, and claim your divinity. Awaken to the truth of who you are and step boldly into your power. The world is waiting for you to shine. The power you seek is not out there in the world, but within you. It is the Christ consciousness, the spark of divinity that resides in each and every one of us. This is your birthright, your true nature, your ultimate potential. Awaken to this truth and unlock a life of infinite possibilities. If this message resonated with you, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel.